Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to show you how to remove background from images for free in seconds without knowing anything about Photoshop, without knowing anything about design. You can do this in few seconds, really simple, really easy, so let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to go to your browser. Okay, open a tab and you want to go to a website called lunapeak.com. I will leave the link in the description for the website. Okay, so once you're here you want to go to upload. Okay, so now you have ready to choose an image. For this example I have picked two images beforehand. One is the Lamborghini image of the logo. I want to show you how to remove the background of this image, and also this illustration from Homero Simpson, which is one of the favorite characters on TV of all time. Okay, so now that we have the images in our computer, we can select the file. So first I'm going to show you how to remove this background from Lamborghini. So the only thing that you have to do is to upload the image here. As you can see, we have the image. Then we have to click here on transparent, and then we have it with no background behind the black. We just have the bull and the Lamborghini, the logo. Easy, simple, we can use it anywhere we want now. Okay, if you want you can save image and then you have it. Okay, ready to use anywhere you want. If you want to create another or remove the background from another picture, you just go here to close image again, and now you have to upload a new image. Okay, this is a repetitive process that you have to do. So now we're going to pick the image from Homero Simpson, which has a yellow background, and we do the same thing. We go to transparent, and then as easy as that, as one click, as less than 5 seconds, we have the image here. Now, as you can see here, we have a little yellow thing. That's because every time there is a circle inside something, will have to repeat this process, and for that you have to go here, start again, to make another area transparent. So you click there, and then you have to click in the area you want to make transparent again. So now if we go, as you can see here, the yellow part that was inside the circle is now transparent. Then the same thing, save, and that's it. Now we have the two images. Just let me show you. If I open this image from Homero Simpson, you will see that the background of the image is completely transparent, so you can use it anywhere you want. That's really easy, really simple for all you beginners that are starting in the world of design or of digital marketing. You have to create or remove background from images and don't have Photoshop, don't know where to go. Lunapeak.com is a great option. I highly recommend you to use it. I found this website a couple years ago when I was starting. Now I have Photoshop, and if you have Photoshop, I recommend you to use Photoshop to learn Photoshop, Illustrator. Those are great tools. But for all you guys starting out, just have your laptop, and this is a great tool. Okay, great tool. I will leave the link in the description. If you want to know more about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, you can check out my website as well. And with nothing more to say, keep moving, keep grinding, keep doing things, and I'll see you in the next video.